Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to write an appeal letter to the Circuit Court for 2025. Whether you're dealing with a court decision that doesn't sit right with you or you're navigating a legal challenge, knowing how to craft a solid appeal letter can make all the difference. Let's break this down step by step so you can feel confident tackling this process. First off, understand why you're appealing. Start by reviewing the original court decision and identifying the specific errors or new evidence you want to present. This is your foundation. Make sure it's rock solid because courts in 2025 are emphasizing clear, evidence-based appeals. Next, gather your materials. You'll need copies of the original judgment, any relevant documents, and a timeline of events. Double-check deadlines, as missing them could tank your appeal. Most circuits require filings within 30 days, so act fast. Now, let's talk structure. Begin with a professional header. Include your name, address, the court's address, and the date. Follow that with a formal salutation, like, "Dear Honorable, Judge's name." In the body of the letter, keep it concise and persuasive. Start with an introduction stating you're appealing the decision and why. Then, lay out your arguments point by point. Use facts, not emotions. For example, cite legal precedents or new evidence that could change the outcome. Remember, 2025 updates mean appeals should be more digital-friendly, so consider attaching electronic files if allowed. Wrap up with a strong closing. Reiterate your request for review and end with, "Sincerely, your name." Before sending, proofread for errors and consider getting a second opinion from a legal advisor. It's always smart to consult a professional. There you have it. Writing an appeal letter might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more legal tips. Stay empowered, and we'll see you in the next video.